Some exposition and you have bought buggies and could you tell us about the concept of these buggies, how this would be?
Yeah, basically what we have done is we thought of getting in these buggies, around 14 of them, to facilitate the senior citizens and people with disabilities to ensure that they have a very smooth movement to the place of veneration and to the church. We would be placing them some at the parking lots wherein they can be transported from the parking lots to the veneration points, and we will be placing some inside the cathedral itself, because the distance from the gate of the cathedral to the veneration point is quite a distance. So this will also reduce the requirement of wheelchairs. Of course, wheelchairs would be available at the veneration area. So the devotees would be dropped at the point of the veneration, and from within the cathedral, a volunteer would handle the senior citizen or a required a person with a disability to use the wheelchair for veneration. After veneration is over, the devotee can be dropped just outside through a ramp and will be ferried across again by the buggy back to the parking area where the vehicle can take the devotee home.
So this will especially help the persons with disability, especially elder sick people.
Absolutely. Besides the buggies, we have also brought in e-rickshaws, wherein a wheelchair itself can go inside the e-rickshaw. And these e-rickshaws would be around 17 in number. So we are trying to facilitate as much as possible people with some difficulties in walking, senior citizens, elderly people, so that we would like to give a very sort of a smooth experience to them during this exposition.
So one more thing is that just now you took it around all over the area along with the minister, and that too in the buggy, looking at the area. So how do you see it?
Yeah, we were just going around along with the Honorable Minister as well as the exposition convener, just to have a feel of the facilities which have been created and to see what is the preparedness of those facilities. And as of now, we are satisfied with the level of work which has gone in, and we are confident that by the 20th we should be ready in all respects.
You also have seen the area as far as parking,
Yes.
as far as facilities for persons with disabilities, the ramp and everything. So everything is in place.
Yes, work is still going on, but as I said, within the next 2 days, everything would be, these are the last parts which are left for the exposition, and in all probability, we are good to go by the 20th.
Any special force you have asked for from outside Goa, or enough with the Goa?
I think as far as the security is concerned, the Goa police have done elaborate arrangements, and from the security aspect as well as the transportation plan has been worked out.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.